Whew. Good morning, wild, wild world. It is Sunday morning. Oh, it was stormy last night. It's still stormy this morning. It's thundering and lightning. Very, very frightening. But time to get ready for church. Alright, so what you just saw was a clip from us tearing down all the stuff in Lloyd. We actually have to take down everything, which is where Making Music was, all the clips you've been seeing from the past couple nights. But now, I leave there early because I needed to get ready for tonight, or this afternoon, to do an SI session, so I'm going to have to go print that stuff out and try and get some of the stuff written down in an answer key of some kind, because I don't have any answer key. So, here we go. Oh, that's great vlog material. Me coughing to death. You should. Boop. So, we are on our way to dinner in Jackson. We had morning services and all that good stuff. Went to lunch, ate lunch, and then I did an SI session. So, much going on. And then actually, after we're done here with dinner, we're going to go see Jack in a concert, which by the time this vlog goes up, her interview will have already been up, but she's awesome, and she just happened to be playing in Jackson tonight. It just happened like over the past week. She put this together with her, some concerts with her and her friend. So it'll be fun. The concert's actually going to be at this coffee house where they give jobs to people who can't afford to pay for their meals, so that help people out. So it's like a charity type concert. So it'll be cool to kind of support that as well as hear Jack and hear her perform. Should be good. I might include a clip of her playing. I don't know. We'll have to see. But first, we got to go to dinner, and we're going to go to Mongolian Grill, Genghis Grill. So that should be good. So, nummy. Yeet. I have fully stacked my bowl. It is, that tall. I'd say that's a success. This is the smallest bowl here, so boom. Most bang for your buck. All right, I win.
I tried. Mine's probably gonna look like so small, but I know.
Can't even fit in the bowl.
Yeah.
So the concert's over. What'd you think, Evan?
Oh goodness, that wasn't supposed to happen.
I liked it. What do you think?
It was amazing. It was really good.
Jack Thompson is amazing. So is Carly Bannister. Check them out. Oh. Concert's over. That was lovely. Jack and them were really nice. Jack and Carl. Oh, such a good concert. I'm so happy I got to hear them. And it's in Jackson of all places. So, lovely night. Now to head back and do homework. Now that I'm back in my room, time to sleep. Zach, you need to get up right now. You have homework to do. Go away. I just want to lay here. My bed is comfortable. Yeah, but you know what's uncomfortable? Procrastinating, which is what you're doing right now. Can't I just have time to decompress? Is that such an issue? Do I always need to be doing homework or something, or studying or something else? Yep, all the time. No breaks. Otherwise you're gonna fail. Then it's settled. I'll fail.